Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below.
Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all good. Students, in this video we are discussing a single topic that is about an offshore petrol vessel by the name Shruti. What is the name of this offshore petrol vessel? Shruti. Right, let me show you in the image. This is the Shruti. This is an offshore petrol vessel, next generation offshore petrol vessel. Right, now multiple questions will be asked regarding this, that who developed it, what is the aim of it, right, what is the other name for this. So this is also known as yard 3037, first question. Then it is Shruti, launched by Indian Navy. This is a next generation offshore petrol vessel. This is a project built by whom? This question will be asked, that this Shruti is built by whom? GRSE, Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited in Kolkata, West Bengal. The vessel was launched by whom? Manika Sandhu. Now this is another important question that you need to take a note of. Manika Sandhu. This was in presence of Vice Admiral Sanjay Sandhu, the controller of warship production and acquisition. GRSE launched the first next generation offshore petrol vessel by the name Sangmitra, yard 3039 on 20th of May 2026 in Kolkata. So if we talk about this is the second one, right? This is the second next generation offshore petrol vessel. If we talk about the first offshore petrol vessel, it was Sangmitra. This was the first, right? And Shruti, this is the second, right? These are all the things that you need to remember about this particular news, right? Here you can see in the image, built by GRSE in Kolkata. Further, if we talk about this, the vessel is named Shruti, that is a Sanskrit term meaning that which is heard, symbolizing 4 Vedas of Indian tradition. Then the Ministry of Defence signed the contract on 30th of March for 9,781 crore rupees, with 7 ships assigned to the Goa Shipyard Limited and 4 ships assigned to the GRSE. That means of these ships, that is offshore petrol vessels, 4 will be developed by Goa Shipyard Limited and 4 will be developed by GRSE. The first next generation offshore petrol vessel Sachi Yard 1280 was launched by Goa Shipyard Limited on 31st of March 2026, and here you can see the first one launched by GRSE was Sangmitra, launched on 20th of May 2026. So 2 more to come by GRSE and 3 more to come by Goa Shipyard Limited. So I hope the students, the single topic was covered. On daily basis, we'll make sure to upload a single topic wise video for you all, where you will be getting insight about that particular topic in detail that will help you in your learning journey.